Hello guys, this side Himanshu Chabra and you are watching Ajay Astro Money Guru. Let's discuss about Omicron. DNA explainer how Omicron is likely to affect fuel and other commodity prices in India. Amid worries that the new Omicron variant of COVID 19 believed to be more transmissible than previous strains could cut oil demand as global supply builds. There is a fall in international crude oil prices. If this fear persists, it could end up in further lowering of the price of petrol and diesel for consumers in India as well as in other countries. The price of Brent crude saw its largest monthly fall since the beginning of the pandemic in November 2021. The month ended with Brent crude at USD 70.6 per barrel, down from USD 84.4 per barrel at the beginning of the month. Currently, Brent crude is trading at around USD 70 per barrel, and the worries regarding fall in oil demand also arise due to the growing concern that the new variant may have increased ability to evade vaccine immunity, leading to the current vaccines being less effective at preventing infection from the Omicron variant in comparison to other variants. With the US based vaccine maker Moderna CEO recently saying Omicron may be able to bypass the immunity provided by the COVID 19 vaccines, the price of Brent crude oil tumbled by 16.4%. In the last 1 year, crude oil prices doubled from USD 43 per barrel in October 2020 to USD 85.5 per barrel in October 2021. However, there has been some curve in the prices after the announcement of the planned coordinated release of emergency crude oil reserves by the United States, China, Japan, India, South Korea, and the United Kingdom. India announced the release of 5 million barrels of crude oil from its strategic reserves, with the UK announcing the release of 1.5 million and the US announcing 50 million barrels of crude oil from strategic reserves. How fall in demand may affect domestic fuel prices. Let's talk about this. The impact of the crash in crude oil prices will be witnessed in all other commodities in the coming weeks in India. It will have an impact on the fuel prices in India that have always had a effect on other commodities. If Brent crude prices remain at current levels, OMCs may begin cutting petrol and diesel prices in line with international prices. The domestic oil prices are benchmarked to a 15-day rolling average of global prices of petrol and diesel between January and November 2021. The price of petrol in Delhi rose by 32% due to a rise in the price of international crude oil. OMCs have been slow to cut the price of petrol and diesel during the previous falls in crude oil prices as they try to make up for lower margins. March and April saw sharp volatility in the international prices, but all marketing companies held the prices of petrol and diesel nearly constant. Let's talk about four states: West Bengal, Assam, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Union Territory of Puducherry, and went to assembly polls during March to April. OMCS had also held the prices of petrol and diesel constant for 83 days from the middle of March 2020 due to the COVID 19 outbreak. International crude oil prices crashed because of a collapse in demand due to pandemic induced nationwide lockdowns across the world. Fuel prices in India have been stable since November after the government cut rupees 10 and rupees 5 per litre excise duty on petrol and diesel. Since then, most Indian states have also announced cuts in value added tax, means VAT imposed on petrol and diesel in their respective states. So this was the news related to a market, related to a business. So DNA explainer how Omicron is likely to affect fuel and other commodity prices in India. We discussed about this. Let's stay with us. Do subscribe our channel Ajay Astro Money Guru and don't forget to tap the bell button.